So today I'm going to unbox Livingood Daily. Let's do it. Got my box here. Got some electrolyte powder here. Vitamin C. Vitamin C and quercetin. Oregano oil and monolaurin. Vitamin D complex. De-stress. Silver serum. Now this didn't come in today's box, but I previously bought this detox kit from Livingood Daily. I'm a big fan of these products. These are clean, third-party tested products, and I'm really happy with them so far. These are the two I use the most. This is a colloidal silver. It's great for ear infections, eye infections, things like that. This is vitamin D3 and K2. And I can see it's got some magnesium in it and some alpha lipoic acid, antioxidants, things like that. This is a really healthy product. Vitamin C, this is really great if you're starting to feel under the weather. You can take these. They're safe for kids. Just cut the dose in half. And if you're like me and you should be drinking more water, there's electrolyte powder. It's great post-workout. I love this stuff. It comes in a couple of different flavors, as does the vitamin C powder. These are adaptogens. If you feel stressed out, have some adrenal issues going on, have trouble relaxing, this will help you. Oregano and monolaurin is great for fighting infections. The Detox has a nighttime and a daytime formula. It's got a lot of stuff in here that is good for the liver. Let's see. It's got some apple fruit powder, which is also good for the cardiovascular system. It's got milk thistle. It's got vitamins. It's got some chelators in here and some binders. Flush out those toxins. If you're looking to do a parasite cleanse, there are better options out there, but this is a great liver and kidney cleanse. Now, I haven't used over-the-counter medications in well over a decade. In fact, I grow medicinal plants right in my own backyard. So these are products that I use as a replacement to those over-the-counter pharmaceutical products because they're a lot healthier options and they're not hard on your liver or your kidneys. I'm going to give you a little peek inside their store. So overall, Livingood Daily gets an A+. I use a lot of their products. They're very good. I have not found a bad one yet.